Hey everyone and welcome back to Sidd'sTechnolog. If you're new here, I am Siddharth Chauhan. I love diving into the world of technology to help you make the right purchase decisions. Today, I am reviewing Creative's T60 2.0 desktop speakers. These are compact speakers that promise premium sound quality without taking too much space on your desk. But are they worth your money? So stick around as I walk you through the unboxing of these speakers, telling you about their features, doing some sound tests, and my verdict about these speakers. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Let's unbox these Creative T60 speakers and see what we are working with. The packaging is clean and straightforward with a preview of product and key features listed on the box. For example, your clear dialogue, your surround sound. They support Bluetooth, they have bass export at the back and stuff like that. Inside the box we have the two speakers wrapped securely with some basic documentations like quick start guide. First up is my left speaker. As you can see on the behind, this opening is what they call as bass export. This is to provide some bass, and then it has this single wire which is going to be its power input. Second is our main speaker, which is the right speaker. In the front it has all the controls. In the back again it will start with the bass export to provide the bass, followed by all the ports: your headphone jack, your mic jack, your USB-C, your aux in, your power output for left, and your power input. Removing the wrapper, as you can see, it has this glossy black finish. This look really nice, but of course this is going to be fingerprint magnet. On the right hand speaker you can see you have your volume knob, your power button, your toggles for surround sound, and your toggle button for clear dialogue. This has a very nice clean look. I really like the sleek design. In the first box, as you can see, this is the power adapter to provide the power input to the speaker. The plug is versatile. It comes with multi pins. You have plug that can work in countries like India. Then you have a plug that you can use for US. Now let's talk about the cables that are provided with the speakers. Here first you have the standard USB-C to USB-C cable along with the USB-C to USB-A converter. Apart from that, you have aux in cable. You have this aux extender. The one thing which I don't like is that this is a 2-point pin as compared to a 3-point pin, which means if you plug it in, then you cannot use mic as an input. So setting up these Creative T60 2.0 speakers is super simple. Just plug them into the power adapter, and then you can choose either USB-C, an aux port, or a Bluetooth connection, and depending upon your preference on how you want to connect your devices to these speakers. Irrespective of your connection, they sound pretty good, but for this demo I'm going to connect them using USB-C to my laptop. Alright, since we got them set up, now let's talk about their design. These speakers are perfect for someone who is looking for a smaller setup, or maybe someone looking for speakers which are sleek as well as save some space. They have a very subtle design with curved edges and golden speaker encased in a glossy black body. I personally love this design, which gives a modern and sleek look to my desk setup. On the front of the right speaker you got all the controls, your volume knob, your toggle buttons. At the back you got all the ports like for your headphone, for your mic, your USB-C connection, your power input, and the power output for your left speaker. Alright, after talking about design, let's come to the most important part of any speaker system, that is the sound quality test. I've been testing these Creative T60 speakers for variety of sound output, like for music, for movies, for games, and here is what I found out.
This is such a perfect place. I'm glad I found this with you. Our love reflected in your face. Only heaven can beat this view. Come on, let's run and get lost in the crowd. Into the light as the night's coming down. I'm double tapping, I'm focusing now. We're focusing now. I see love. I see love around me. From a river to a flood. I see love around me.
For music, these speakers really shine in mids and highs. The vocals and instruments are crisp and there is enough clarity to pick out the finer details of your music. Although the bass is not as deep as any speaker system with a subwoofer, but they are surprisingly punchy, especially for this size, and for the right kind of music you might feel a very good bass with that music. When it comes to movies and games, they do provide an impactful sound, and with features like surround sound, you can add some depth to the audio. You might not get a true surround sound, but it creates an immersive experience that fills the room nicely. The clear dialogue mode also works well, especially when you are watching movies or you are listening to a podcast or you are in your meetings and want to hear voices more prominently. The built-in headphone and microphone jacks are super convenient for PC users like me. You can switch seamlessly between your speakers and a headphone without unplugging anything, which is really a boon. Now let's talk about the value. The Creative T60s are available at an $80 price tag, which puts them in a lower mid-range desktop setup category. It is an excellent option for people who want a good sound quality and features without the hassle of a bulky subwoofer or maybe a more expensive setup. If you are an audiophile or a bass lover, then of course you might lean towards more expensive system or system with subwoofers. But for general use, whether that's music, movies or Zoom calls or gaming, and you want something which is sleek and saves space on your desk, the T60 offers a great balance of performance and practicality. So should you buy this Creative T60? Personally, I really like them. They exceeded my expectations from a 2.0 system without a subwoofer. They really sound great. Also, they comes with an additional features like surround sound, clear dialogue. It comes with Creative app that provides enhanced capabilities, especially on your calls, which is really a bonus at this price point. Thank you for watching this review. I hope you like this video and it will going to help you in making your purchase decision. I personally really like these Creative T60 speakers and they are perfect fit for my desktop setup. If you like this video, don't forget to click on that like button and subscribe to stay tuned for more in-depth reviews like this. Till next time, thanks a lot.